We start with everyone has been seeing this one, right? Dashboard, 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 dashboard. So in 213 and 214, we have tabs. So what we do, if you want to create a dashboard, let's just log in into, or let's just create a new one. Just add. Yeah, immunization, we already have it. Mother care, for example. Mother. Okay. Okay. So this is your dashboard, which has nothing here. Dashboard is one thing. When you log in, it will refresh all your data, all your charts, all your maps, everything, tables, and shows you the recent value what you have. For example, you logged in on January, you set all the things, and now you are in March, and you want when you log in, it will automatically show you what is your data for March also. Okay, so it gets updated. Only if you use relative period. If you just use a fixed period, then it will just only show for January and February. But if you use relative period, it will keep on updating your chart. Okay? So now what we'll try to do is to add few charts, maps here, what we want to do. First, for that one, we have to go for services. We'll try to create a chart, or let's just see, services, data visualizer. Yeah, we just take favorite. And let's say, yeah, ANC key coverage. Yeah, this chart, yeah. Usually what you do, you go for indicator or data element, select your period, select your org unit, and make the chart, and then you make a favorite. Once you make the favorite, you can load all the things into your dashboard, okay? So now, right now, I just want to just directly come around here, just took the favorite. And it was called ANC key indicator. Now I want to include this one in my mother care dashboard. So what I do, I go for home. So now I am in the, where am I? Mother care. Yeah, mother care. Yeah, and now I want to add. So I can go for search here, and you can add anything what you want. Charts, map, tables, users, resources. Just ANC. Let's just see. The charts, you can just more charts or see more charts, hits. More, yeah. So ANC key coverage is here. If you click on here, it will directly take you to visualizer because this is a chart. But I want to add it. I click on add. And now you have your ANC coverage on here. I'll try to take one more. Let's just say ANC. Okay, let's fewer hits. And then I say ANC2 coverage. Add. So now I have it here. But I want my chart to be first and map to be here. So you can just drag and drop. Yeah. Cool feature. You can drag and drop and all the things, so you can try to put it up. It's fine. Now I want to add some tables. So I can go for, let's say, yeah, ANC. Here, ANC by facility type. Okay, so now we have table. And you can also like drag and put it down to, yeah, here. Yes, you want. Yes. Like here, you just go for resources. Let's just see if you have. No, just type. Okay, all your news feeds and everything are in services. Where is it now? No. Reports. Resources. So here you can put all your news page and your link for public health news, your country news, your URL, so you can add it. For example, let me just go for EAC homepage, edit, his PAC homepage. EA, same. No, since you're not connected to the internet, that's fine. I'll just click, edit. So here, you can add a resources, either a file, just drop down list. It's external source, EAC, cancel, add new. Just drop down list, just open here. You can upload a file, like for example, you want to send a memo to all your health facility, and you can upload that one here so that people can look at it. You can also link to your external news and sources directly, or you can choose it up. So now let's just cancel. Let's just see how do we add this one into dashboard. Just type resources. Yeah, pre-out presentation, that's the resources. So here you find all your list, but you have to do one more thing. You go for service, report, resource, click on anything. Yeah, WHO statistics. And yeah, sharing settings, and then like you can just say, you can view and edit, but you can like also, yeah, save. Before it was something else. Let me just see. Now just save it. Let's just try to search WHO statistic, probably if they have changed it. Services dashboard, yeah. Or WHO. Yeah, add. So you can add all the resources what you want. Okay. So on this resource table is just like comes to you directly around here. Huh? When you click here, it will take you to your external links. And there was also something called RSS news feed, and that was removed. Sorry. Yeah, but we're just like giving access to the external sources where you can link. For example, you have a Ministry of Health sites and other things, so you can include it here, so the people don't have to type in other place. You can click and you can directly go to your external pages. Okay. So here, the dashboard, you can click, do all the things. Okay. You can select add map, add things, comments, and like you can click on share. And you can share the dashboard to a particular user group. Let's say D2A. D2A. No, that's a user role. User group G2 something. This is, yeah, group 6. Yeah. And yeah. Can view, that's fine. Save. Okay, group 6. Save. Fine. And you can click on manage. And here you can give, just basically you can delete a dashboard, change the name, things. And if you want the dashboard to be appear in different things, like you say ANC first, yeah, delivery second, immunization, and then other things, you can also do that. It's very simple. Add a number, 1 dot, and then it will change it. Just add 1 dot in the prefix. Yeah, rename. So now Mother Care is in the first. Huh? Nothing much. It's just like because it's arranged in alphabetical order. So if you want to arrange your dashboard in a particular order, you can always give the numeric so that like it just arranges your dashboard in your particular way. Okay? Fine? Clear in the back? Okay, there is not so much exciting because they've already seen this too many times. Okay. So what else we can try to do here? Assignments? Assignment? Okay. I guess like we didn't have an assignment for a long time. Okay. So people will just like try to create a dashboard and share with different groups. Huh? Create your own dashboard with maps, charts, and all, and share with your user group. Okay? Yeah.
When you share the dashboard with the user group, does it, for that group, does it save it in their, like when they log in, is it saved as a dashboard or does it just appear for them?
It just appears.
So how do they save it?
It's the same. This is like, okay, can you just log on to the user group 6? Just log out. No, log out. Okay, this is the way like if you want to share your dashboard to your particular user group, let's say immunization user group, you want to share all your charts, or like for example for your national ministry you want to share the national core indicators. So you can create a dashboard, include everything, and just like give it to that particular user group, and then like you will get they will get the dashboard there. Okay, it's fine. Okay, let's just try this one now. Yeah, you create, add something, and just share. Right quick.
In terms of sharing options, you can share two things, or you can share many things, right? But there are two things that for the exercise, you can share at two levels. You share a dashboard, which is this canvas, where you take all the elements that you want to share with a particular group or just with yourself. And within this dashboard, you have different elements, okay? So that's an element, that's another element, the pivot table is another element. And each element has its own features, meaning that you can decide to share and to give different options of sharing for each element. For that, you need to go into the element and decide whether you want to share it and make it editable by other users or not. So if you click, for instance, here on NAC coverage, key coverage, you obviously access your graph. And here you have different sharing options. If you go into favorite, and then I type ANC, key coverage. You have different options. You can rename your favorite. You can modify your favorite and then save the new version with the same name. You can delete it, obviously. That's not what you want to do. And then you have a blue button, a blue icon. And this blue icon, if you click on it, if you pass the mouse over it, it says share with other people. So you click on it, and here you can see that you have a dialog box, which is very similar to the other one in the dashboard. And you can read here that you have public access in edit and view mode, and then you have different other groups that have been selected. So obviously, if you want your element to be shared in view mode only and with a particular group only, you just remove all that. No public access. You type the group number, for instance, group 6. You add it. And here you have, so what I did basically, I typed the group that I wanted to share the graph with. I type plus to add it, and then here you have various options, can view and edit. You click on can view and you save your file, and then when you share your file or your element through the dashboard, sorry, I have deleted it. And now that I have decided that this graph is only visible for group 6 in view mode, this means that when it's in the dashboard, the other members of the group 6 can access it, but cannot edit it. Okay, so that's to secure your work, obviously. Yeah, I had a question. So yeah, it means that now only people of the group 6 can view it. Okay. Obviously, to see dashboards or elements, you need to be on the same instance anyway. But the people in the same instance, only the group 6 now can see it.